Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Prius engine. First, gather all necessary tools, including an engine hoist, specialized wrenches, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have your replacement engine, whether new or reconditioned, on hand. Before starting any work, always prioritize safety by disconnecting both the 12-volt auxiliary battery and the high-voltage battery pack. This crucial step prevents electrical hazards during the process. Now, let's move on to removing the old engine. Begin by thoroughly draining all fluids, such as the engine oil and coolant, into appropriate containers. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, vacuum lines, fuel lines, and coolant hoses attached to the engine. Systematically unbolt the engine mounts and transmission connections. Finally, use a sturdy engine hoist to safely lift and extract the old engine from the vehicle's engine bay. With the old engine out, it's time for the installation. Carefully lower the new or reconditioned engine into the engine bay using your engine hoist, aligning it precisely with the transmission and mounting points. Reconnect all electrical harnesses, vacuum lines, fuel lines, and coolant hoses, ensuring each connection is secure. Torque all engine mounts and transmission bolts to their manufacturer-specified settings. Finally, refill the engine with fresh oil and coolant. After installation, perform a comprehensive inspection. Double-check all connections for tightness and ensure there are no fluid leaks. Bleed the cooling system thoroughly to remove any trapped air, which is vital for proper engine cooling. Reconnect the batteries and perform an initial startup, listening for any unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Drive carefully and enjoy your newly powered vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.